State your name, please.
Manuel Ramirez.
Thank you.
Now, we are here for a pretrial and there's also a bond violation.
Yes.
The reason being because he did not go to community corrections as ordered after his arraignment. I did speak with him about it and he stated that he was confused. He didn't realize he needed to go. He said that he was trying to pay attention to what Your Honor was saying, but he was nervous. He heard the last thing that came out of your mouth, which was the next court date, and that's kind of all he remembered as his arraignment was finished. We did speak about the warrant. He did fill in the warrant recall. He did not put himself in because he's in school. He's at Washington Community College. But he is here. He does want to address the warrant today. He is willing to go test right now. And he believes he could come back clean. And he's asking for more to be recalled and another referral to be made to community corrections so he can get back.
Cancel the bench warrant that's out over in state previous bond. Defendants to report before he leaves this facility to community corrections for placement on a scram tether this time. So we don't have an issue. All right. And then I'll adjourn this out. How much time did you need?
I think the 18th should be okay, Your Honor.
I'll adjourn this to September 18th, 2024, 9 a.m. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
You need to get over to community correction. All right. Thank you.
Consider it G as alternate. Take the election EAC with the 0.206.
Sir, if I give you a test that's going to detect alcohol, whether or not you consumed alcohol recently, are you going to pass that test?
I'm pretty sure.
Why aren't you absolutely sure, Mr. Allen?
Because I don't drink alcohol.
What do you mean you don't drink alcohol?
Stay away from anything that's gonna get me in trouble. I'm just trying to fix everything, you know. I'm just trying to get back in order, you know.
When's the last time you drank?
Probably like 2 years ago. Maybe somewhere right there.
Well, that can't be true.
Probably like. Well, I just haven't been drinking, you know. I haven't drank anymore.
All right, I'm going to try this again. When was the last time you had something to drink?
Something to drink this morning. Coffee.
Any alcohol.
Oh, that's funny.
Okay, probably like 12 months ago, maybe. Somewhat. Can't remember, but you know, 12 months ago, let's say.
So you haven't consumed any alcohol for the last 12 months?
No. Probably mouthwash, you know.
Council approach. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. Sir, I need straight answers to my questions. So I'm going to give counsel an opportunity to talk to you about how you address the court and answer the court's questions. So, Mr. Allen, if you could have him have a seat over here, and Ms. Parody will get to you as soon as possible, and we'll see where we go from here.
So remember, I didn't have a chance to speak to my client. We did speak about the answers to your questions and how it's important to give straight answers. I think he's quite nervous, and I think that impacts his demeanor here today. But again, I emphasize that the court wants straight answers. Regarding his drinking, he does think that he's going to pass. He indicated he has not used any drugs, marijuana, or alcohol. He believes that the last time he drank was around the time of this offense, and hasn't used anything since.
Is that right?
Yes.
Just send him over. He's gonna be put on a scram unit. I also want. You haven't used any drugs? ETG, and I want a urine test on him also. So when he goes over, I want a one-time drug test. And then if he's positive for anything, it's gonna continue weekly. And then also an ETG, and he's gonna be placed on a scram tether.
Would you like him to come back after his test or?
No,
Okay,
we'll catch up to him.
all right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Fine to continue at this time.
Thank you.
Yes,
Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
yes, Your Honor.
All right. State your name again, please.
Ewan Williams.
All right. Sir, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the charge of retail fraud under the Pittsfield Township Ordinance. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes,
Understanding all of that, you still wish to plead guilty?
yes,
And to that charge, how do you plead?
guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes,
Because of that, you're giving up certain rights. You're giving up your right to call witnesses to speak to you at trial or to have this court compel their attendance. You're giving up your right to see, hear, and question all witnesses against you at trial. You're also giving up your right to be a witness for yourself or to remain silent, not have that silence used against you. And you're giving up your right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You understand that?
yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
I am on probation.
All right. Were you on probation in April of this year?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I do have to advise you that your entry of a plea in this case could be a violation of that probation. If it is considered a violation of that probation, that the other court could sentence you to the maximum allowable under the other charge. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding that, you still wish to plead to this charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No, Your Honor.
Has anybody threatened you or coerced you?
No, Your Honor.
The hearing begins with a simple question. When was the last time he drank alcohol? But the answers quickly become confusing. He says 2 years ago, then maybe 1 year, then mentions mouthwash. The judge isn't satisfied and wants clear answers. She stops the hearing and asks the lawyer to speak with him. It's obvious the defendant is nervous, but in court, every answer matters.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
And because you believe that you are guilty of this offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
April 1st, 2024, at the location of 7,000 East Michigan Avenue in Washtenaw County, or in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, state of Michigan. What did you do at the Walmart that makes you think that you're guilty?
I left the premises with belongings that wasn't paid for.
Okay. You just got items from Walmart and tried to walk out, or what'd you do?
I forgot to scan some things, but since I left the premises, it's considered taken or stealing from the store's location at the time of being at that location.
What do you mean you forgot to scan some items? Did you know
so-
or not know that you didn't scan them?
So I was on a Zoom call for probation. I was actually in probation class, and I was doing an Instacart order as a mobile delivery, and I just didn't realize I didn't scan a few orders that was on my shopping list. And
All right, let me stop you there. I can't take his plea. He didn't. I don't think he has a requisite intent by what you're saying.
Yes, I do understand. Yes, I do understand. I was just going over the story. I'm sorry. Yes, I understand.
Well, I can't accept your plea given what you told me. What do you want this set for next?
Your Honor, I would ask to set this for final settlement conference.
Jury final settlement conference will be set for October 18th, 2024, 9 a.m. Jury selection, if necessary, will be set October 21st, 2024 at 8:30.
After a private talk with his lawyer, the defendant comes back to court. This time he gives more direct answers and says he believes he will pass the tests. The judge orders alcohol and drug testing just to be sure. He will also be monitored closely. The message in the court is simple. Follow the rules and stay honest.